I have a Samsung DD81015498_N. When I start the machine it fills and then pumps out, then the smart and heavy light blink. I've turned off the power for 5 minutes. I've pulled the filter and pump cleaned and replaced them. I don't know where to go from here. I need help.
How old is your Samsung appliance?
We think we bought it around 6 years ago.
How long has this been going on with your Samsung appliance? What have you tried so far?
I've turned off the power for 5 minutes. I've pulled the filter and pump cleaned and replaced them.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Made sure the drain line was clear.
Hello, my name is I will be helping you with your issue. What is the model number of the washer?
Good morning, Bruce. The model #DD81015498_N Gary. Bruce, I can't do a phone call. With all that's going on right now, changing direction and/or thought process happens very fast right now.
If you received a message for phone support, it's an automated thing. I didn't send it, so ignore. I tried to use the model number and it's not a valid number. Is another sticker that has numbers and letters on it.
Let me double check the hash. The model DD81015498_N.
The number you send is from a part-specific label on unit and is not the model number. Check in other places on unit for a number that is combination of letters and number together at least 10 to 12.
It was blocked by the sprayer head. DW80F600U2_8A.
Hello, for that model, if it's filling then immediately draining, then it's either the case brake part or the turbidity sensor. Here are the part numbers for them. Turbidity sensor D.D. 3200003A, case brake D.D. 8201373A. The most common failure is with the case brake.
Thank you.
Any other questions on issue, just post question directed to me. Also feel free to rate service.
Too many computer-generated messages. I canceled my subscription.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.